VViViD Air-Tints are specially designed to easily install on difficult or intricate shapes. These tints are an industry first. They include an air release membrane which allows you to install the tint dry, without installation liquid, ready to use out of the box. This is the only film on the market that can wrap any shape. It is super conformable with heat. It was originally manufactured for hard-to-wrap surfaces, but the ease of install has professionals saving time on any headlight shape. These tints are 80% tinted smoke or 20% VLT. It is made with automotive-grade cast vinyl. Adhesive is acrylic-based, which will not eat through plastic like other tints on the market. It is 100% chemical safe. It will not eat through headlight coatings or damage your lights. Warning: these films are made for headlights and taillights that would normally be impossible to wrap. These tints have air release and are applied with heat to conform to desired shape. It may leave a subtle orange peel that is not normally visible from a short distance. All headlight tints come with a subtle natural air release pattern and can be installed using either dry or wet application methods. These tint films are the first of their kind and are designed to conform to any difficult surface that would otherwise be impossible with standard headlight tints. This film is also self-healing and scratches will go away with heat. Use: simply cut vinyl to shape, apply it to surface. To make vinyl conform to shape, simply heat with a heat gun or hairdryer, stretch and apply. Lastly, using a sharp blade, trim away excess from the headlight and you're done. It's literally that simple. Top reviews from the United States. Used on headlamps. I don't have anything to compare this product to, however it was easy to use and place on my headlamps. Air bubbles come right out with the squeegee tool and it's easy to cut to form. Definitely darkens your headlamps even with LEDs. Adhesion seems really good. I've ran my vehicle through the high-pressure touchless car washes and no water got underneath and the film did not move.